大家好，小明今天又来开箱了。今天我要开箱的是这个孙悟空。上一个影片我开的是达尔，如果大家还没有看的，可以看上面的资讯卡。上一次我购买的是2个一套，但是我只收到达尔而已。这一个就是我只收到的孙悟空了。这2个都是一样重新涂装的。废话不多说，还没有订阅我们的，帮我们订阅、按赞、分享、打开和小叮当。现在直接开箱20周年影片版的孙悟空。
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Feel alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
我是第一次购买重新涂装的公仔，而且这次还一次买2个。我拿了手笼来跟这2个公仔做比较，我很惊讶，因为这2个经过重新涂装的公仔，它的层次感和立体感原来那么高，尤其是悟空和达尔的肌肉线条都很好的呈现出来。 感觉这次购买对了，我又多了2个独一无二的收藏品了。你们有重新涂装过的公仔吗？如果有的话，可以跟我分享。好了，今天我开箱就到这里为止了，下一个影片见，再见。